sales and when that is more importantly to be have the profit, the organization should earn the profit. So the most important part whenever you design a product, that is your target customer. Second, availability of production facilities. Whatever product you maybe choose to manufacture, you need to have that facilities to manufacture that product in your organization. जो भी आपका शॉप फ्लोर होगा, जो भी आपकी फैक्ट्रीज होगी, आपके पास में वो मशीनरीज होने चाहिए या आपके पास वो टूल्स इक्विपमेंट्स होने चाहिए जहां से आपका वो प्रोडक्ट बन सके. Okay, so you should always have that facility available inside your organizations where you can make that product, and most importantly it should be of a minimum cost. Okay, it should not be like expensive. जितना आपका प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट कम होगा उतना ही आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का प्रॉफिट मार्जिन बढ़ते जाएगा. जितना ही आपका प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट बढ़ेगा उतना ही आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का प्रॉफिट मार्जिन कम होते जाएगा. So it is very much important for the organizations to make sure that you should always have the minimum production facility inside your organizations, and it should make that it have a comfort and convenience to the employees as well. So whatever machines you are utilizing inside your organization, it needs to be user friendly. Okay, it is not something like it is so difficult to understand. It is won't able to understand to the employees कि हम लोग कौन सा मशीन यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं, सो कैसे यूटिलाइज करना है. Okay, what are the pros and cons of that machine, how to utilize, what are the safety gears we need to wear while utilizing that machines, everything you need to understand. So most important that you need to have the production facilities. Third, cost price ratio. Cost is one of the most important factor which can influence the product. Okay. Now, as we discussed earlier, also, whenever a product designer is there, product designer always know what will be the manufacturing cost, and that cost needs to be informed to the production team. Okay. The designer always have the liberty to make that product expensive or less expensive as per the quality, but you also need to understand the same product with same specification and the features which is offered by the competitor, what price they are offering and what is the manufacturing cost for them. That is also important. So cost is very much important. The designer needs to understand कि हाँ मतलब मेरे को फ्री हैंड दिया हुआ है कि आप कुछ भी चार्ज करो, उसमें नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. बट एट द सेम टाइम आप जब चार्ज कर रहे हो तो चार्ज करने के बाद आप एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव हुआ तो भी लोग उसको परचेस नहीं करेंगे. अगर कम एक्सपेंसिव हो तो लोग सोचेंगे कि भाई चीप मटेरियल है, इट शुड नॉट बी परचेस. तो डिजाइनर शुड हैव टू ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड कि before making to a final product, the price of the product should be at a minimum. That is very much important. Then you have break even analysis. Break even analysis, it is, you can understand, it is a relationship between the fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, जब आपका नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस होता है तो दैट इज सेट टू बी अ ब्रेक इवन. ओके, जब आपने जितना पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया और आपका उतना पैसा बाहर निकला, तो दैट इज सेड टू बी द ब्रेक इवन एनालिसिस. एटलीस्ट आपका इतना तो होना चाहिए कि बाबा ठीक है, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द मार्केट, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द सेल्स, यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द डिमांड एंड फोरकास्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज विच इज यू आर मेकिंग इन टू द मार्केट. एंड जितना भी अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट, आपने 100 रुपीज इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है तो आपका एटलीस्ट 100 रुपीज का आउटपुट निकलना चाहिए. ओके, अगर आपका वो आउटपुट नहीं निकल रहा है तो यू आर इन टू लॉस. And if you're going above 100 rupees, so whatever amount you will earn above 100 rupees, that is your profit. So that break even analysis should be always there. So you should always have a value engineering with your organization. Value engineering is something like the sequence of machines which are organized inside the company, or you can share shop floor, where minimum cost is bear by the organizations to manufacture a certain product and services for the customer. Okay, एक chain of machines होता है, or you can say an assembly line होता है. On an assembly line you can always make this line this value engineering कि कितना minimum cost हमको bear करना पड़ेगा to manufacture a certain product. So that break even analysis is very much important for the organizations to earn profit. अगर मैंने उतना भी कर लिया तो ठीक है, this in this quarter, we fail to earn profit, but we are also success in not having any loss inside the organization. That is more important than raw material to be used. So most important, when we started this unit, we always have studied the input, and there's a mechanical and chemical process, and you always get an output. So whatever input you will do, you'll get the similar kind of output. So raw material का quality जो भी आप utilize करोगे, आपको output भी उसी तरह का मिलेगा. Okay, so you need to make sure that whatever design you're preparing for the uh, products and services for the customer, it is very much important for you to understand ki what qualities of raw material you are utilizing. Now we have also studied ki what is the good quality. The good quality is not something like which is expensive. The quality of the product depends upon the price. Okay, जितना high price होगा उतना ही quality अच्छा होगा, जितना ही price कम होगा उतना ही quality raw material का गंदा होगा. So company needs to understand कि we need to maintain a standard quality of a raw material to get a standard output. Okay, if you want to sell the product to the different customer range, which are very high and they are not worried about the money, and you need to make sure that कि अगर मैं इसको एक मेरा सेल फोन 1.5 लाख का बेच रहा हूँ तो मेरा रॉ मटेरियल भी उस हिसाब से ही होना चाहिए. इट इज नॉट अफोर्डेबल टू हैव अ रॉ मटेरियल ऑफ 10 to 15,000. तो मेरा रॉ मटेरियल किस हिसाब से कौन से क्वालिटी का है वो सारा चीज भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. Then you have a quality policy. So designer needs to understand ki what quality we have to maintain. So quality is something which is fixed by top management. ये सारा top management से आता है, and they always set certain policies. They always have good amount of guidelines, and you can that guidelines needs to be matched. So these guidelines is set by the top levels of executives. Okay, and these guidelines are framed in connection with the company's image. Most important. So we, अगर मैं कल को रिबॉक का शूज परचेस कर रहा हूँ या आदिदास का मैं शूज परचेस कर रहा हूँ, तो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट कि the quality of that shoes should always match the name of the company. If I'm telling you Woodland, okay, so Woodland बोलने के बाद आपके दिमाग में एक ही बात घूमती रहती है कि ये शूज परचेस करने के बाद I do not have to worry about next 4 to 5 years, and it is in real. Okay, it is very much understood by all the peoples like कि when you talk about like woodland is something like it is so high quality shoes. Okay, if you purchase once you do not have to look back for 4 to 5 years. If you're using it on regular basis, no worries, it will go for 4 to 5 years. But when you're purchasing that product, you need to bear that price. 4,000, 5,000, 7,000 का शूज का प्राइस है, लेकिन आपको 4 से 5 साल देखने का कुछ जरूरत. That is the quality policy what the organization sets for the customers. So you need to understand कि बाबा क्या है. Another example for quality like Mercedes Benz are there, Rolls Royce is there, Rolex watches are there. So Mercedes Benz, BMW, Audi, Bentley, okay, Rolls Royce, okay, Rolex watches, okay, Zara का जो purses है, कपड़े हैं, the quality of that fabrics is so high that people are ready to give the money because they are not worried about the quality. They know this is a brand and company will not compromise on a brand. तो कम बरसों निकल सालों निकल जाते हैं कंपनी का नाम कमाने के लिए, बट एक बार आपका नाम हो जाता है मार्केट में तो कंपनी क्वालिटी में कोई भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करती. दे आर रेडी टू पे हायर अमाउंट, but at the same time they will not compromise on a quality. Then you have a plant and machinery. So product design is all depend upon the availability, how plants and machineries are available with you. Okay, it should be easily manufactured by the machines which are available inside the organization. That is more important part. And whatever machines which is available with the organizations, it needs to match the quality and standards required by the customer. तो जो भी आपके पास products available है market में, वो products के हिसाब से आप अपना जो प्रोडक्ट बनाओगे तो आपके पास आपकी फैसिलिटीज जो भी कंपनी में अवेलेबल रहेगी उसके बेसिस पे आप उसको कर सकते हो, नो डाउट. But at the same time, it should match the standard of a quality which is required into the market. Then effect on other product, the designer has to know that कि अभी मैं ये प्रोडक्ट नया प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म कर रहा हूँ या बना रहा हूँ या डिजाइन कर रहा हूँ, इसके वजह से मेरा जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट में चल रहे हैं उस पर कोई तकलीफ नहीं होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल HUL. Okay, HUL has n numbers of FMCG products. They have soap, they have talcum powder, or they have shampoos. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने एक शैम्पू बना लिया पैंटीन का, तो पैंटीन में एक बना रहा हूँ, तो पैंटीन के साथ में आई ऑल्सो गो विद द अदर वन मोर शैम्पू. तो जब मैं नया डिजाइन शैम्पू का बनाऊंगा तो इट शुड नॉट गेट इफेक्टेड और इट शुड नॉट गेट इम्पैक्ट विद द एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट. मतलब मेरे अपने खुद के एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट को तकलीफ देके I would not be ready to launch a new product. So you need to ensure that whatever product you are making, okay, inside the organization or for the customer, it should not affect onto the other products. अगर आप सोप बना रहे हो तो सोप बनाने के बाद में अगर आपने लक्स का साबुन बनाया तो यू हैव लक्स ऑफ संतूर और यू कैन से सैंडल. ओके, तो उसका आपने उसका फ्रेग्रेंस का आपने एक सोप बना लेना, यू वांट टू गो विद रोज. ओके, रोज हो गया या कोई दूसरा फ्लेवर हो गया. तो जब आप नया प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन करते हो तो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर कि इसके वजह से मेरा ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट है उस पर कोई तकलीफ नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर उसको तकलीफ हो रहा है देन इट इज नॉट राइट. दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. देन यू हैव reputation of the organization. So the product designer is need to understand, it needs to consider the company reputation as well. That is very much important, where he need to keep that always in mind ki I have to maintain the reputation of the organization. Okay, that is needs to be able to understand. Now whenever reputations is there, reputation is something like goodwill. Okay, now goodwill is very much important whenever you have a new product design, and it needs to match the positive image of the organization. So reputation is very much important. And last you have packaging. Now packaging is something like is very much important. As per me, if I am a customer, I'll always look how the product is packed. ओके, उसके पैकेजिंग पे ही सब कुछ डिपेंड्स करता कि अंदर वाला प्रोडक्ट कैसे होगा या होना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ if you order something online from Amazon, from Flipkart, from Meesho, okay, n numbers of e-commerce websites are there, and whenever the product delivered at your home, you can see it is packed in a very good box. Okay, जब आप बॉक्स खोलेंगे तो आपके उसके अंदर बबल्स वाला प्लास्टिक्स होगा, प्लास्टिक के अंदर वापस एक और उसका कोटिंग होगा या पैकेजिंग होगा, देन यू हैव योर प्रोडक्ट. Similarly, whenever you purchase the product from a shop, from a किराना दुकान, शॉप इन जो दुकान होता है नीचे का, बनिए का दुकान होता है, वहां से आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट परचेस करते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आटा नूडल्स ले लिया आपने, शैम्पू ले लिया, सोप ले लिया, बिस्किट ले लिया, चॉकलेट ले लिया, क्रीम बिस्किट्स ले लिया आपने, या मैदा ले लिया, बेसन ले लिया, वॉट एवर प्रोडक्ट यू परचेज, या आपने लेस का चिप्स परचेस कर दिया, दूसरा फ्लेवर कुरकुरे परचेस कर लिया. So packaging, how the packaging is done, okay, how the product ka design which is mentioned outside the product, that is also important. So packaging is should be always an eye appealing, and that needs to be maintained, that needs to be understood by the organization. So these are the factors which influence the design of the product. Then types of a product design. So there's also a type of product design. Okay, now in that you also have a factor which also affects the product design. First you have a cost, what we have discussed right now. Okay, the cost is very much important whenever the product designer always make the design of the product. He needs to also understand the cost of material as well as the cost of labor. Okay, so whenever the design is made in such a way that the cost of that product should include everything. Okay, that is your labor charges, production charges, logistics, warehouses, okay, transportation, damages अगर कुछ होता है तो आप certain amount भी उसमें थोड़ा miscellaneous में count करते हो, तो everything is counted in that cost. So you always need to keep in that, you need to always have a pricing strategy with that. Okay, you need to make sure that the customer should prepare to pay for such kind of cost. So एकदम expensive या high expensive भी नहीं होना चाहिए आपका, and should not be cheap also. So cost is very important concept. Cost is very much because सबसे पहले प्रोडक्ट उठाने के बाद आप उसका एमआरपी चेक करते हो. Okay, you go to departmental stores, you go to malls, you go to Big Bazaar, you go to DMart, you go to Reliance Fresh, you go to any shops. सबसे पहले आप चेक करते हो प्राइस टैग्स. सो वेन एवर यू टच द प्रोडक्ट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल गारमेंट्स, फैब्रिक्स है, फैब्रिक्स आप टच करने पे आपको समझ में आता है कि उसका क्वालिटी कैसा है, एंड इज इट वर्थ और नॉट टू गिव दैट क्वालिटी टू दैट प्रोडक्ट. Okay, that is very much important. So cost is something like very much important thing you need to always understand. Then second, you have an ergonomics. Ergonomics, I guess, is something a new concept for you. Okay, ergonomic is something like it makes the work more easier. Okay, using ergonomics like a measurement, or you can always make a minor or a major changes in a product design to meet the essential requirement. Okay, ergonomic is something like, for example, you are sitting on a computer chair. आप जब कंप्यूटर चेयर पे बैठते हो, ऑफिस ऑफिस में वगैरह बैठते हो, तो you can see how comfortable the chair is made to make sure that the productivity of a person who sits on their chairs increases. तो हमेशा आपको ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बनाना है जो आपका प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ाए. तो एर्गोनॉमिक्स आपको हमेशा ऐसे हेल्प करेगा कि आपका जो पोस्चर है बैठने का, वो इस तरह से डिजाइन होना चाहिए कि आपको थकान महसूस ना होना चाहिए, या आप थके हुए नहीं होने चाहिए. दैट इज वेरी वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. सो एर्गोनॉमिक्स हेल्प्स यू टू डू दिस माइनर एंड मेजर चेंजेस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मेजरमेंट्स. Then you have a material is not none other than the raw material. Okay, the raw material is very much important. You need to always do a constant research. Okay, what kind of material we should utilize in the organizations to make sure that we can give a good output. So constant research and development team is always working on to the new product development, new materials, what new materials we can utilize, new technologies are available into the market. So what are things we need to do? So material is very much important. See, whenever you want to have an output, you should always needs to concentrate on your raw material. What is your raw material? How we are using that raw material? From where we are utilizing the raw material? Of what quality of raw material we are using in the organization? Everything you need to understand. Then you have a customer requirement. Again, this is the first slide what we had, requirement of a target customer. So you need to understand what customer want. Okay, what customer is have a feeling about a product. For example, Pepsi या thumbs up है, तो many people first give preference to thumbs up, or some people might go for Limca, some people might go for Mirinda, some people go for Pepsi. So they can ask, they can take a general feedback, what is your opinion on our product, what changes we need to make. या तो कोई फॉर एग्जांपल आप कोई नया सा रेस्टोरेंट्स में चले जाते हो, नया रेस्टोरेंट्स ओपन हुआ है, एंड दे टेक अ फीडबैक फ्रॉम अ कस्टमर कि सर हाउ वाज द फूड, हाउ वाज द एम्बियंस, हाउ वाज द टेस्ट ऑफ द फूड, and what changes we should make as per your requirement. So this customer requirement is something like you need to understand कि बाबा बीइंग एन कस्टमर क्या क्या चेंजेस यहाँ पे हम ला सकते हैं या लाना चाहिए. दैट इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट. सो दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि what features we need to remove from the existing product and what needs to be included into the product. That is very much important. Then you have a company entity identity, sorry. company identity is something like, you can say, the goodwill of organization, company's image, company's name. Okay, so whenever the product is designed, you can say it is a pride of an organization. So product design or the color of the product, the shape of the product, it's all matters. Most important, the logo of the product. Okay, the logo of the product, it should be featured in such a way that it should be an eye appealing. ओके, मुझे देख के ही लगना चाहिए हाँ अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मर्सिडीज बेंज का लोगो देखने के बाद ही आपको थोड़ा सा अच्छा वाला फीलिंग आ जाता है, हाँ वेरी गुड लोगो. You can go check with Maserati. Maserati also have a good logo. Rolls Royce also has a very good eye appealing logo. Okay, so this is something like company's identity. Like, it is very much important that whenever you design a product, you need to always maintain this. Okay, कि कंपनीज की इमेज को किसी भी तरह से कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. Then aesthetic is something like how the product look likes. Okay, the style of the product, the appear of the product, how the product will be looking like. Okay, what kind of technologies we are utilizing. For example, refrigerator. अगर मेरे पास रेफ्रिजरेटर है तो रेफ्रिजरेटर दिखने में कैसा होना चाहिए रेफ्रिजरेटर. क्योंकि once you enter into the home, the first thing you see the fridge, the first thing which comes to your eye is your refrigerator. हाँ, मतलब देखने के बाद लगना चाहिए हाँ, मस्त फ्रिज है, एकदम अच्छा फ्रिज है. So this is how द फ्रिज. मतलब कोई मेहमान घर पे आएगा तो मेहमान देखने के बाद बोलना चाहिए हाँ बहुत अच्छा फ्रिज लिया है आपने. तो दिस इज हाउ द फ्रिज के बाहर में कुछ डिजाइन लगा हुआ है, बटन्स लगे हुए हैं, डबल डोर है, ट्रिपल डोर है, टू डोर्स है. ओके, different kinds of stylish aesthetic, that is very much important. If you are purchasing a washing machine, so washing machine side door है, upper door है. Okay, automatic है, semi automatic है, so this all comes in an appealing. If you're purchasing a laptop or you're purchasing a microwave oven, so even that shape of the product is also important. Most importantly, if you're purchasing a car, so purchase while you're purchasing a car, you see the model of the car, ki how the car look like. Just a moment. Huh? So whenever you purchase any vehicle, or you can say you want to purchase a bike, or you want to purchase a car, so सबसे पहले जो चीज आपके मन में आती है कि वो गाड़ी दिखने में कैसे है. स्टाइलिश है, डायनामिक है, स्पोर्ट्स वर्जन है, ये नॉर्मल वर्जन है. तो यू ऑलवेज सी कि बाबा दिखने में अच्छी रहनी चाहिए. ओके, हेडलाइट, टेल लाइट, सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स, सब कुछ अच्छे होने चाहिए. तो एस्थेटिक्स, it always looks stylish. That is very much important. Okay, so that always needs to be keep in mind कि you should have a good amount of certain shape. Then you have fashion. You always need to keep in mind whenever you design a product, what is the current trend, what is the current preferences, what we are giving. That is very much important. So what is the taste and preference nowadays the customers are looking for, what they really are loving right now, what is a fashion right now. Okay, you need to be keep yourself updated. You need to make sure that कि market में क्या trend चल रहा है, कौन सा trend चल रहा है, कैसे वाला trend चल रहा है, and what we are doing, are we matching the trend of a market or not, what is happening. You need to understand this trend and then you need to make this thing. For example, आजकल तो इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स बन रहे हैं बहुत सारे, एंड पीपल्स आर यूजिंग फ्रंट कैमरास अ लॉट. सो द एक टाइम था जहाँ पे रेयर कैम जो पीछे और आपका जो कैमरा होता था उसका इम्पोर्टेंस बहुत होता था. Okay, and people used to click photograph. Okay, and they always make sure that कि जो आपका rear camera है उसका megapixel अच्छा होना चाहिए, 12 megapixel, 48 megapixel, 30 megapixel, 32 megapixel, whatever that. But the trend has changed right now, and nowadays people are making sure कि आपका front camera है, जो front camera का pixel है वो अच्छा होना चाहिए. वो like it should be around like 14 megapixel, 20 megapixel, 24 megapixel. जितना आपका front camera का pixel अच्छा होगा उतना ही वो मोबाइल अच्छा है. Plus nowadays more or less a good amount of filter has come. Okay, the new features have also added into the camera functions. So a lot of new things have come, so they're trying to match with the trend what is happening into the market. Then you have a culture. Culture is something like a product whatever you are making, it have their own individual culture. ओके, हर एक प्रोडक्ट का अपना खुद का वैल्यू होता है. ओके, हर एक प्रोडक्ट का अपना खुद का स्टेटस होता है. यू टेक एनी प्रोडक्ट, फॉर एग्जांपल 5 स्टार चॉकलेट. चॉकलेट 5 स्टार हैज देयर इट्स ओन ओरा. ओके, उसका खुद का एक इमेज है 5 स्टार का. डेयरी मिल्क, कैडबरी इज रूलिंग द मार्केट फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड दे आर रियली लव. मतलब अगर किसी बच्चे को बोला कि मुझे चॉकलेट चाहिए, तो द फर्स्ट थिंग कम्स इन योर माइंड इज डेयरी मिल्क. ओके, नन ऑफ द पेरेंट्स से दैट कि 5 स्टार चाहिए क्या, किट कैट चाहिए क्या, पर्क चाहिए क्या, नो. So the image has created in their mind, in their head, that ki chocolate means dairy milk. So it has their own culture. So you need to make sure that कि जो भी आपने आपके प्रोडक्ट का कल्चर बनाया है या आपका जो कंपनी का कल्चर है, that needs to match with the product and services what you are offering. Then you have environment. Yes, environment. Whenever you design a product, okay, it has an impact on environment. The good amount of customers may have a discretion or you can say concern, okay, about the product कि ये product environment को कितना तकलीफ देगा या इसे कितना तकलीफ हो सकता है. Should we go with this product or not? Is it the product which can harmful for the environment or not? Does this product is recyclable or not? अगर रिसाइकेबल नहीं होता है तो क्या करना चाहिए, प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में लाना चाहिए कि नहीं लाना चाहिए, व्हाट शुड वी डू. नाउ व्हेन टॉक लाइक प्लास्टिक, प्लास्टिक इज समथिंग लाइक टेक्स लॉट ऑफ ईयर. मतलब आई गेस उसको कितना भी जलाओ कितना भी कुछ करो लेकिन प्लास्टिक खत्म होने वाला में से नहीं है. मतलब अगर कुछ चीज धरती पे रहेगा तो वो खाली प्लास्टिक ही रहेगा, उसके अलावा कुछ रहेगा नहीं. So you are trying to recycle it, you're trying to make a way out of it, but still it is damaging the environment. अगर आप today if you're going to an sea and if you go and check, a lot of plastics are there inside the sea into the ocean. So ultimately we are harming the environment. So whenever you design a product you should always make sure that ki, are we giving any harmful thing to society or not, is it disposable or not. Okay, that's why government is slowly and banning the slowly and gradually banning that plastic bags. Why they are encouraging what you say kapde ka bag or whatever the paper ka bag, why they are encouraging, because plastic is not recyclable actually. Okay, जितना भी आप करो वो थोड़ा ना थोड़ा उसमें रहेगा ही, and plastic is very harmful for the environment still, but it is we are utilizing it, but पता नहीं आगे के 100 साल के बाद क्या होगा कैसे होगा. But the point is that कि whenever you design a product, it should not make such product which should be harmful to the environment. Okay. Again, you need to also have the consideration. You can go with the design. It is more or same slides what we have studied in this slide, okay, and this slide. This is a combination of these 3 slides what we have mentioned here. That is economic viability means cost. Then when you talk like price, appearance, prestigious value, functionality, maintenance of a product design, the factors affecting a product design which we have already done. These all factors we have already done in this slide, and even in this slide. So again, पता नहीं वो बुक में है तो मैंने स्लाइड्स में डाला हुआ है. Okay, so product design and desired quality, flexibility, processing system, technology, human factor, regulatory environment. This is all already have mentioned here. Then we'll come to the plant location and plant layout. So plant location. Now plant location is very much important. Okay, now why plant location is very much important? Whenever you have a plant location, you need to always have such location. You need to make a choice where the availabilities of men, material, money, what do you say, machineries can be brought together at one place to manufacture the goods and services for the customer. We have also discussed this earlier as well, that whenever you have the plant location, it should not be much far from the market. Okay, even it should not be much closer to the market, because it has various chemical mechanical process, तो थोड़ा सा सिटी को तकलीफ होने के chances होते हैं. But at the same time, whenever you have a little far from the city, so you can manufacture the product as well as you can uh, have a warehouse as well. Okay, so you should need to have a center point, a midpoint where you can manufacture and you can transport them to the market easily with a short duration, and the cost of logistics and transportation should be very minimal. That is very much important. So for example, अगर मुझे नासिक भी भेजना है, पूना भी भेजना है, और मुझे बॉम्बे भी भेजना है, तो मुझे एक सेंटर पॉइंट है, which is भिवंडी. Okay, भिवंडी is something like a, which is center point, and even today lots of warehouse is still available there, especially with the e-commerce. So it is a center point. So अगर मैं center point मतलब 2 घंटे पे नासिक है, 2 घंटे पे 2 ढाई घंटे पे मेरा पूना है, एंड 2 ढाई घंटे पे मेरा बॉम्बे है, 1 डेढ़ घंटे मेरा बॉम्बे है. इफ आई इंक्लूडिंग ट्रैफिक वगैरह, या मुझे थोड़ा दूर जाना है, तो आई कैन सेंड विच लाइक 2.5 hours का मेरा जर्नी है, आई कैन सेंड दी मटेरियल देयर. So I need to have a center point from where I can easily send the material to the retailers, or you can say a wholesaler, and he can give to the retailer and it can reach to the target customer. So plant location is very much important. So geographical location is very much important in this. So plant location which is concerned with respect to manufacturing, as well as assembling units and service organization as well. And at the same time, you need to always have a proper site with respect to urban, suburbans and rural as well. So plant location is very important. So first factor which is governing to the plant location, as we have discussed right now, the first main part whenever you go for a plant location, that is the proximity to the market. Just I have told you कि बाबा अगर मुझे plant location चाहिए तो plant location कैसे होना चाहिए, तो proximity, how easily I can reach to the target customer easily. The most important part की सबसे इजी वे में मैं अपने कंज्यूमर के पास में रीजनेबल प्राइस में अपना प्रोडक्ट कैसे जा सकता हूँ, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. सेकेंड, द कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन शुड बी वेरी मिनिमल, एंड इट शुड हेल्प टू गिव द बेटर सर्विसेज. सो अदर पीपल लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिडिल मैन है या एजेंट है, इनको कमीशन देने का मुझे कोई जरूरत नहीं. आई कैन डायरेक्टली गो एंड पुट द मटेरियल टू द wholesaler, and wholesaler can go to the retailer, and from retailer it can reach to the target customer. So I need to always have a center point. From that center point, it can be easily transported, it can be easily transferred to the respective customer easily. Then you have proximity to source of raw material. Again, अगर मैं माल कस्टमर को भेज रहा हूँ, तो at the same time I also has to keep in mind कि to manufacture a finished goods I also require raw material. So raw material भी supplier से मेरे कंपनी में easily आना चाहिए. That is very much important, and it should come on right time at a reasonable rate. then only I can able to give the good amount of a reasonable rate of a finished goods to the customers, or you can say consumers. That is very much important. So अगर मैं अच्छा खासा मटेरियल बाहर लोगों को सप्लाई करने करने की कोशिश करूंगा फिनिश प्रोडक्ट में, तो I'll also make sure that कि I'll try and give you the good amount of material. Okay, I should get good amount of material, our raw material, to me, okay, at a reasonable rate. That is very much important. Then infrastructure facility, or you can say the production facility. Whenever you talk about like infrastructure facility, should always have good amount of availabilities of a power, water, disposal of a waste products. तो most important अगर दो चीज लगता है किसी प्रोडक्शन के लिए, that is a power and a water. And whatever waste is get generated from this product, वो easily throw out हो जाना चाहिए without any hassle. That is very much important. So it is need to also understand कि infrastructure facilities आपके पास होने चाहिए. For example, if you are manufacture, if you have a manufacturing unit in some isolated area, so in an isolated area, if there's a no regular supply for water or no regular supply of electricity is there, then the production unit cannot work efficiently or effectively. So you also need to understand कि मुझे ऐसा लोकेशन चॉइस करना पड़ेगा जहां से आई कैन इजीली हैव रेगुलर सप्लाईज ऑफ वाटर एंड पावर. ओके, उसमें कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जहाँ पे केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट होता है, जैसे पावर, पेपर हो गया, सीमेंट हो गया, शुगर मिल हो गया, फूड प्रिपरेशन हो गया, it requires a regular supplies of water. Agar if I'm making a thumbs up, I'm making a beverages. Okay, so I need a regular supplies of electricity and water. That is very much important. अगर ये दो चीज मेरे पास नहीं है तो how can I able to make the finished product for my consumers? No, I cannot. So that is why the infrastructure facility is very much important. Then transport facilities. Transport facility is one of the key determinant for the plant location. It is very much important. So you need to have the transport where it can move from a factory sites to the finished goods, and from finished goods it can reach to the market. So it should be easily get transported from your plant location to the market. So transport facility should always be good. Then you have labor and wages. Yes, most important. Human resource, labor, employees. You should always have the plant location in such a way that there should not be any kind of hassle with respect to employees or human resource. Okay, you need to make sure there's no problems in arranging the accommodation या उनको रहने के लिए कुछ जगह. ओके, उनको सारे वहाँ पे कुछ सुख सुविधा आजू बाजू में रहने चाहिए. तो यू कैन ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट कि ये सारा चीज मैं प्रोवाइड कर सकता हूँ एंड लेबर्स को. And at the same time, you will be requiring skilled employees, and it can be easily available. So you can always go for such location जहाँ पे colleges है, आजू बाजू में colleges है, diploma colleges है, degree colleges है. You can also find out such area, because if you are working on some um, chemical thing or engineering जो workout है, so you can always go for some places where you already has engineering college. तो वहाँ के पास आउट वाले बच्चे यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, कम कॉस्ट में काम कर सकते हैं, सस्टेन कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे रह सकते हैं. That is very much affordable for the organization. So labor can be easily available, and the wages what you are offering to that employees can be also a cheaper rate. That is very much important. So labor and wages. Then you have legislation and taxation. So which are the policy made by the government or local bodies relating to the issues of license of a labor law. That is also needs to be understand whenever you are selecting some sites. Whenever you go and select some production sites, you need to understand most importantly key what is the rules and regulations of a state and central government. Okay, and what are their benefits, what are the license are required, what are the rules and regulations we need to follow, what are the license we need to acquire. Okay, from what are the things we are exempted, okay, that we need to also understand. So taxation rate कैसा है, टैक्स कितना भरना पड़ेगा, पॉलिसीज क्या है, नॉर्म्स क्या है, गाइडलाइंस क्या है, रूल्स रेगुलेशंस क्या है, दैट नीड्स टू बी अंडरस्टैंड. एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू बी फोकस्ड एंड यू नीड टू फॉलो. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको जगह मिल गया, आपने परचेस कर लिया और आपने बांधना चालू कर दिया. नो, देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स विच कम्स अंडर द गवर्नमेंट जुडिशरी. ओके, jurisdictions में आने के बाद you need to follow some protocols, you need to follow some guidelines, and you need to complete that steps. Then only you get a clear cut check from the government to do the manufacturing process. So legislations and taxation policy also need to be done. Then climatical conditions. Most importantly, whatever product and services which you're offering to the customer, you also need to understand ki what climatical changes are there. Okay, what changes are happening into the market, and this climate is suitable for my product or services or not. Even you need to understand, it is a warm climate, it is a humid climate, it is a cold climate, it is a hot climate. You also need to understand कि भाई ये मेरे प्रोडक्ट के लिए अच्छा है कि नहीं है. Okay, so that is also need to be considered whenever you go and manufacture the product and services for the people. Then industrial and labor attitude. Community is also very much important. You need to give something back to society. So you need to have that locating facilities in certain areas where a good amount of labor problem should not be occur. Okay, you need to make sure that कि जो आपके पास लेबर काम कर रहे हैं वो लेबर आपको frequently तकलीफ नहीं देना चाहिए. That is very much important. They should not give, and there should not be any kind of interruptions on your work on regular basis. That is very much important. So whenever you have a good because क्या होता है ना कि जब भी आप अच्छे खासा आप अपने प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम चालू कर देते हैं, तो जो वहाँ के लोकल होते हैं या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होते हैं वो आपको हमेशा तकलीफ देने की कोशिश करते हैं. दे थ्रेटन यू टू दैट वी विल शट डाउन, विल गो ऑन स्ट्राइक, विल नॉट वर्क, विल ब्रेक डाउन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सो एंड सो ब्ला 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 चलती चलती रहती है. तो ये इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया या लेबर लेबर के एटीट्यूड को रोकने के लिए भी थोड़े से नॉर्म्स होते हैं. You need to also study the local also, कि how the people have their attitude here surrounding political parties, यहाँ पे कैसे political situations यहाँ पे कैसे हैं. ओके, प्लांट लोकेशन चूज करने से पहले आपको ये सारे चीज को ध्यान में रखना है कि फ्यूचर में यहाँ पे जाकर कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगा ना, या तकलीफ तो नहीं होगा ना, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. So that is also need to be understand whenever you are selecting your plant location. Then you also have a safety requirement. Safety is very much important with respect to uh, manufacturing organization. जब भी आप आपके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से, तो आपके सेफ्टी इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट. यू शुड ऑलवेज नीड टू ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि जो भी आपका प्लांट लोकेशन है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है, it should not have any hassle with respect to safety. Okay, there should not be any worries of a safety. Okay, for example, if you have a manufacturing plant near a border, अगर आप बॉर्डर के आजू बाजू के एरिया में आपके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का आपका प्लांट है, तो यू नीड टू ऑलवेज हैव दैट सिक्योरिटी कि बाबा हाँ, मतलब ये जगह ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है, इट इज नियर टू द बॉर्डर, बट स्टिल वी आर इन टू गुड पोजिशन. सो सेफ्टी रिक्वायरमेंट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि it should always, अगर जैसे नक्सलवादी का हमले होते हैं या अटैक्स होते हैं या टेररिस्ट अटैक्स होते हैं, तो ऐसे कोई अटैक्स वगैरह नहीं होने चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई यू नीड टू ऑलवेज कीप दैट मेजर इन माइंड. Then you have community facilities, or you can say a social infrastructure. Community facility with respect to education, hospital, entertainment, mall, theater, transport facility. ये सारे चीज आपके आजू बाजू रहने चाहिए. Okay, the people will work in your organization from morning 9 to 6. तो 6 बजे के बाद क्या? Okay, if you're working, you have an office from Monday to Friday, तो फ्राइडे शाम को लेके संडे को शाम तक हमको क्या काम है, कुछ घूम सकते हैं क्या, इस आजू में गार्डन बिडन है क्या? इफ आई एम ब्रिंगिंग माई फैमिली नियर बाय टू दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, डस वी हैव एन एजुकेशन फैसिलिटी, स्कूल, कॉलेजेस, theaters, entertainment zone, park, okay, hospitals, if something, some people get sick, okay, that an emergency get occurs, so does we have a hospital facility, does we have a regular what you say transport facility with respect to train, metro, bus, auto rickshaw, ये सारे facility अपने पास है या नहीं है? तो even that you need to always keep in mind. So community facility is very much important. अगर कल को मैं भी कहीं पे ट्रांसफर होके जाऊंगा, तो आई विल ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट कि बाबा जहाँ पे भी ट्रांसफर होके जा रहा हूँ मैं, आई शुड ऑलवेज हैव दैट 4 to 5 बेसिक थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे को अच्छा घर होना चाहिए, ओके, नीचे ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटी होना चाहिए जैसे ऑटो रिक्शा, बस, जो भी है, स्कूल, कॉलेजेस, एंटरटेनमेंट, हॉस्पिटल्स आजू बाजू में है क्या नहीं. तो दिस बेसिक थिंग्स इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय ऑल द पीपल्स, इवन यू एंड मी, ऑल द पीपल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड दिस कम्युनिटी फैसिलिटी. सो दैट नीड्स टू बी मेक श्योर दैट वो वहाँ पे होना चाहिए. Then you have a community attitude. The community attitude is something like the attitude towards the entrepreneur, okay, which can make a good amount of industries, okay. So that they'd always have the particular setting in their mind कि एक अलग सा attitude behave बनाए with respect to labors, with respect to employees. They should always have that in their mind कि बाबा किस तरह का कम्युनिटी एटीट्यूड है. तो द एटीट्यूड ऑफ द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग इनसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, that needs to be checked on a regular basis, how they are behaving, what are their stake on towards the organization, towards the work, towards the entrepreneur, what they are really thinking about the organization, everything they need to be keep in mind. Then supporting industries are there, so you always have the factor, the various services should always be available with there. For example, I am working with a manufacturing system, so supporting industries mean what? Suppliers, okay, small components, spare parts, जो भी मुझे लगने वाले हैं to manufacture a certain final product, उसको final product बनाने के लिए जो मुझे कुछ चीजें लगेगी, वो चीजें मेरे पास अवेलेबल है या नहीं है, या सप्लाई मुझे कहाँ से होगा, that needs to be keep in mind. So always you need to have a supporting industries available with you. Suitability of a land. Suitability of a land is something like you need to check with the land. Okay, government go and take the sample of that land. Does the land has the capacity to hold the entire building? The land does has a capacity to hold the heavy machineries or not? एवरीथिंग इट इज नीड टू बी चेक्ड. अगर लैंड का टेस्टिंग नहीं होता है, या आप लैंड के टेस्टिंग करने के बाद अगर गवर्नमेंट बोलती है कि लैंड इज नॉट गुड टू मैन्युफैक्चर, टू बिल्ड अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, यू शुड नॉट गो फॉर दैट लैंड. दैट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. नहीं तो कल को बहुत बड़ा सा एक्सीडेंट होने के चांसेस है with respect to collapse of the entire building, crane, major damages can be happen with respect to land if the land is not of a good quality. So before setting up any of the modern building techniques, you need to check with the suitability of the land. Does the land has a good holding power or not? That is very much important. And last, you have availability and the cost of land. The cost of the land nowadays is so high that people are not affordable, we're not affording it. It is not that कि बाबा बहुत cheap है या बहुत सस्ता है. नो, सस्ता वगैरह कुछ है नहीं, बहुत महंगा है nowadays the plots, and lands are so expensive right now. So the availability and the cost of the land it needs to be checked. Okay, so today we have done with the factor which governing the plant location. Okay, we have seen the introduction to a plant location, consideration in product design, then types of product design, factor which are influencing the product design. Okay, any doubt in this? Anyone has any doubt? Okay, good. So we'll stop here and we'll again have lecture tomorrow morning. Okay, we'll have a combined lecture with division A and we'll then continue with this. Okay.